Day 2 at the swarm box. More bees are coming. What'll happen is one bee goes back to the hive, tells another bee they've found a location that could be a suitable new home. That bee comes back with that other bee and they check it out. They all go back, if they like it, they go back again to the hive and tell a couple more bees, and then take them a couple more bees where it is, and then they come back and they check it all out, and then if they like it they go back, tell a load more bees, and each time the amount that know where it is multiplies, so more and more and more come and check it out. And then if enough bees check it out, it'll kick off a swarm in the hive. And what the bee's doing, you'll see it's flying in front of the hive and around the hive and stuff, but it's looking at the hive, and when it does that, what it's doing is measuring. And they go inside the box and they do the same thing. They fly around and they bump. When one's in there or a couple's in there and you get close, you can hear them bumping into the sides, and that's how they measure the box. And they measure it. Some bees will spend a night in it. A couple of bees spend a night in it, so they check it out. And then if all is well, they'll go back when enough have scoped it out and agreed, yeah, we're going to move in there. They go back to the main hive and they kick off a swarm, and all them scouts come back, and what they do is fly above it in like a whirlwind pattern above it, which is a marker location, and then all the other bees know where to fly to. So I'd say perhaps soon, because I do get a lot of swarms in that box, and it's in a good location. It's between the shed and the house, so it's like a flight path. So as they come past, they've got no choice but to smell the goodness in that box, which is, I've just smeared a bit of lemongrass oil around the front doors, not a lot, but then took the lid off and put a bit of lemongrass oil on the lid, and then it's got an old brew comb in there full at the back of the hive, and then the rest of the hive's empty. Really, you could do with like full waxing all your frames in there, but then it don't give them enough room to measure the box, because they think it's not a big enough space. But yeah, it does catch a few swarms up there. I can't remember last year, I think it was 5 or something. But then I have a habit of leaving them in there too long. Well, I reckon, yeah, probably later today or tomorrow, but soon there's swarms. There'll be a swarm in that box. And when a swarm comes, it's so exciting. It's like you can feel the energy from the swarm. You get right in there and you can just feel it. And the bees just fly around you. It's chaos, but it's amazing. Try and get it when it comes out. I'll show you how they scan the box. These bees, they come from a couple of streets over. There's a guy there, he's got a colony of bees living in the side of his house in a column in the wall. Look, there it is, look, you see it, it scans it, looks at it and scans it. Yeah, he's got a colony of bees in the house, in the side of his house, and he doesn't really too fussed about having them removed, because you've got to break into the wall of the house, and it faces his neighbour, and he said he don't really care whether his neighbours get stung, so unless his neighbours get stung too much and complain, there's not much probably can be done. Usually the swarms move any time after lunch up until evening. Not sure why that is. we shall see.